Are you recovering from surgery? Are you struggling with maybe postpartum depression, fissures, inflammation, a yeast infection? I've got something that I want to show you. You can use it in the comfort of your own home. It's incredibly simple to use. It's lightweight and you can take it wherever you want to go. Let's check it out.
The foldable sitz bath is very easy to use. Although the sitz bath and steaming can be done without the flusher, it is a nice addition to enhance your experience. All you need to do is attach the sprayer with the suction cup to the bottom of the sitz bath. Choose a water temperature that is best for you and pour it on into the seat. Just make sure it's not too hot. During the sitz bath soaking, the flusher is perfect for self-massage and getting the stream of water where it is needed most. The flusher also makes it easy to convert Fivona Sitz bath seats to a portable bidet. Cleanup is super easy. You just empty the basin using the drain hose, wash it, let it dry, and store it away until future use.